Hello and welcome to Game Night How-Tos presented by Gather Together Games. This video will cover how to play the party game Word Slam. The video will start with the general concepts and then cover the gameplay. Word Slam comes with answer cards, story cards, card holders, die, and hourglass. Thanks to Tams and Cosmos for providing the game for this tutorial. All players are divided into two teams, the orange team versus the blue team. Teams will set up across from each other. Each team gets a card holder and story word cards. One player from each team is in charge of the story word cards each round. These players are known as the storytellers. The object of the game is to get your teammates to guess the answer word first by displaying story words on your card holder. The blue team rolls the die first. The number rolled is matched to the number on the answer card. Each team's storyteller will look at the answer word without letting anyone else on the team see the answer card. The round begins with the blue team storyteller calling out word and the orange team storyteller responding slam. Both storytellers then start searching through their story cards to find words that will help their team guess the answer word. The first team to correctly guess the answer word wins the round. The winner of the round is awarded the answer card. The next round begins with the orange team rolling the die and each team has a new storyteller. The storyteller can only display cards to get their team to guess the answer word. No sounds can be made and no acting out the word. There is no limit to the number of story cards added or removed from the card holders. There are 4 different colors of answer cards, with green being the easiest answers and black being the hardest answers. Each answer card has one highlighted answer. This indicates the answer word is a pop culture reference. Teams can agree not to play the pop culture answers if needed. The storyteller that rolled the die for the round is also in control of the hourglass. At any point during the round, the storyteller can announce the start of the timer. If neither team guesses correctly by the end of the timer, no team wins the answer card. Team members are not allowed to look at the opposing team's story words, but can listen to their guesses to help determine the answer word. The team with the most answer cards at the end of the game wins. It is recommended to play 21 answer cards with 4 to 5 players and 25 answer cards with 6 or more players. That wraps up how to play Word Slam. Find time this month to gather together with family and friends and enjoy a game. Thanks for watching.